Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and any OEM skin because behavior differs across vendors. First, back up launcher settings and take a quick screenshot so you can revert if needed. Next, open Settings and go to Apps or Home App Management. This is where Android exposes the switcher options. Once done, make sure developer options are enabled only if we need gesture or animation tuning, because those controls let you customize transitions and memory limits. You now pick the implementation, built-in switcher for stability, or a third-party app for extra styles and gestures. If you choose third-party, install it from Play Store and grant only the permissions required. This minimizes security risk. Once installed, go to Settings App's Default Apps and set the new app as your home or recent apps handler. As you do this, test gestures and card animations because tweakable options are often inside the new app, not system settings. You finish by customizing the look and responsiveness. Open the Switcher app or System UI Tuner and change animation speed, card layout, and gesture sensitivity to your preference. Once configured, reboot the device to finalize system integrations and then open several apps to check memory reclaim and card persistence. If things go wrong, clear defaults, reassign the handler, or restore your screenshot-backed settings. This troubleshooting step often recovers layout or permission mistakes without a full reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.